Okay guys, so today we'll be making another cool, refreshing drink. We'll be making watermelon with lime leaf water. So let's head outside and pick some lime leaves. Alright, so let's pick some lime leaves here. We're going to be steeping these lime leaves. Trying not to get myself pricked by the how many do we have here? 4. That should be good. Alright, so now that we have our lime leaves, we're just going to bruise them and rip it, put it in our infuser. Right, like this. So I'm tearing the lime leaves, then I'm putting it in. That will help to release the oils. Now I'm putting my hot water in. All right, so I'm going to leave this here to steep for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, then we're going to put our lime leaf water into the fridge to get nice and cold. Okay, so now that our 10 minutes is up, we're going to remove the leaves from in here. All right, I'm just going to set this aside, and I'm going to squeeze half a lime in it as well. Okay, let's just remove the infuser. Just mix it a little bit. Okay guys, so now we are going to put our watermelon into our blender with our lime leaf water. All right, let's head over to the blender and give this a buzz. All right, so let's pour our watermelon and lime leaf water into our jug here. All right, so let's put this back in the fridge to get nice and cold. Okay guys, let's pour out our watermelon and lime leaf water drink and have a cool, refreshing drink to enjoy to help combat this heat that we're experiencing. If you want to sweeten this, you can either use honey, coconut sugar, jaggery powder. Those are the sweeteners that I would recommend, even maybe some maple syrup if you want. But I'm going to drink it just as is. Actually, having too much sugar in the body is not so good. So I would recommend that you get into the practice of drinking things without having to add sweetness to it. But at least you would know that what you're having is something that is hydrating and cooling to the body.